Meaning of free agent.
Free agent.
Free agent.
Free agent.
Free agent. The term free agent refers to a professional athlete who is not bound by a contractual obligation to a particular team. In other industries, it can also refer to an individual who is not affiliated with any particular company or organization and is free to pursue opportunities as they see fit. Free agents have the freedom to negotiate their own contracts and choose where they want to work. This type of status provides them with greater control over their career path and can potentially lead to higher earnings. Being a free agent requires a level of self-reliance and independence.